Reit te. Cwestiwn Campus 2 then. So the second question of the 4 is asking, sut mae'r tywydd heddiw? I'm pretty confident that most of you know what this question is asking, especially if you recognise the word tywydd, which is, da iawn, weather. So sut mae'r tywydd heddiw is asking, what is the weather like today? Now, there are many different ways you can answer this, but there are points to collect, and this is what you have to do in order to collect those different points. So for 1 point, it would be just saying or giving an answer in a short phrase or in a one-worded answer. So you could answer in English, so you could say raining, or you could say it yn Gymraeg, which is bwrw glaw. For example, you could say heulog, which is sunny, so you could say sunny as well. But just a quick answer will give you 1 point there. Now, for 2 points, we'll be answering in a full sentence. So the start of this sentence will always start with mae hun. Okay, so the answer will always start with mae hun. So mae hi'n heulog, mae hi'n braf, mae hi'n niwlog, always with mae hun, okay? And then for 3 points would be answering in a full sentence, but also extending. And this time we were extending with the word ond, which is but. So you could say, mae hi'n bwrw glaw, ond dydy hi ddim yn niwlog. So it's raining, but it isn't foggy. All right, so it's giving you 2 different answers there. Give it a go. Pob lwc.